Let's try to understand what is an arc in a circle. Okay. Now, as you know, arc is a part of the circumference that lies between two ends of a chord. Okay, so what are the two ends of a chord? Chord is joining any 2 points on a circle. So let's say this is our circle and let's draw a line. Line joining any 2 points on the circle gives us a chord, right? Now when you draw a chord like this, then we get an arc. So this chord has an arc which is like this. This is an arc. The periphery of the circle on one side of it. So we can call this as arc 1. On the other side also, we have an arc, right? So this is the other arc, the other part of the circle, right? Circumference. This is the other arc, right? So that one, let me call this as A2, correct? So a chord creates two arcs. That is kind of important thing to understand. And this is what I want you to understand, that every chord in a circle gives rise to two arcs, right? One on either side, correct? So that is. And here is a question for you. Given a circle with radius of 5 centimeters, so we have the circle with center at 0 and the radius of 5 centimeters. Draw a chord and label the two arcs. Well, that I have already done. You draw another chord, maybe like this, any way you like, and label the two arcs. You could write A1 and A2. Now the second question for you to do is determine the sum of these two arcs. So what is arc length? So the second question is determine the sum of these two arc lengths. So when you say sum of these two arc lengths, that means sum of arc 1 and sum of with arc. So determine sum of these two arc lengths means sum of length of the arc A1 and length of the arc A2. How much will that be? So A1 plus A2 is going to be how much? It will be circumference, right? The total circumference of the circle. And if you know the formula, circumference of the circle is 2 pi r. That means 2 times pi, which is 3.14, times 5. 5 is 2 times 3.14 times 5, which is 5 times 2, I'll do 10. And when you multiply 3.14 by 10, you get 31.4, correct? If the radius is in centimeters, circumference will also be in centimeters, right? So the circumference is 31.4 and it is equal to sum of the two arcs when you draw a chord in any circle, okay? So that is how we are going to understand arc, and we understand that every chord divides the circumference into two segments or two sectors of each arc length A1 and A2, and their sum is always equal to the length of the circumference, and their sum is always equal to the perimeter of the circle or the circumference of the given circle. Okay, thank you.